Yun yung time na merong checkpoint. So, anong nangyari? Alam mo yun, nagsishake na ako. Yung kamay ko nagsishake. Hindi na ako masyado makatype kasi shake na bala. Ganun talaga. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong gagawin ko ka, guys.
You like fish. What's the problem?
Iba ang nagtanim. Ako ang kakain.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Cagas. Guys, for today's video, pupunta tayo ngayon kina Joey sa Nederhausen. So, ihatid po ako ng mga tatay ko sa Germany. Yan sila, oh. Uwe, tsaka si Egbert, ayan. Ihatid nila ako dyan sa train station ng Badla Aspect kasi din po meron silang bibilhin din sa Siri, so parang dire-diretso na lang din ba, isahan na lang. So I still have 6 minutes na andun yung bus train, but of course 2 minutes na lang din andun ako sa train station. So may namadali natin. So ngayon nagala tayo, for kanina nagtrabaho ako. Tinulungan ako ni Egbert ba kasi alam niya kasi na punta ako ngayon kina Joey. So yung buko hindi ko na din nilagyan ng ano kagay. So ano na lang nilagay ko dito, yung spray na lang. Normally naglagay ako ng wax, but this time spray ang nilagay ko kasi po wala na talaga, wala nang time. Sige lang, it's okay. At hindi na ako naglagay ng ano pa basta. Ang importante makapunta tayo ngayon. Hindi tayo malate ng sasakyan ng train kasi kung malate yun, kawawa ako. So see you. Hi ka guys, ngayon po malapit na po ako darating kina Joey. Almost 3 hours po yung biyahe sa kanila galing sa Badla Aspect to Nederhausen. So alam ni Joey kung ano oras ko darating sa kanila. So sabi niya kakain na lang tayo diretso sa restaurant. So mag-pizza, nag-order daw siya ng pizza para pagdating doon naluto na ang pizza, kakain na lang. Gutom daw siya, galing siya sa gym. Ako din gutom sa biyahe. So order na lang siya. So kanina kagas ba kinakabahan ako. Grabe yung kaba ko kanina, grabe yung kutob ko kasi po may checkpoint kanina sa mga ticket. Normally kasi from Marburg to Frankfurt wala silang checkpoint, hindi yan nag-checkpoint. Tapos kanina punuan pa, yung iba nga nag standing ovation na sa train kasi nga wala na upuan, marami na sa train. Yun, palagi na ako sumasakay from Marburg to Frankfurt na wala checkpoint. So that time, yung time na yun, kasi normally kapag may pag pupunta ko dito, bibili talaga ako ng ticket sa DB app. May ticket ako dyan palagi para secure na tayo. This time today, kung kailan ako hindi nakabili ng ticket, yun yung time na merong checkpoint. So anong nangyari, kasi daming tao, no? Dami ang checkpoint. Tapos ano na, 15 minutes na lang darating na ako ng Frankfurt. Sabi pa nung nag-check sa akin, kasi ang dami, diba, nag-standing ovation sa harapan ko, marami kami dito. So nag-check na siya, where's your ticket? Pero German siya. Inauna pa niya yung nag-ticket sa harapan ko. Sabi ko ba, bakit malalaki na para siyang Turkish yung siya, hindi siya German yung ano niya na nag-checkpoint. Sabi ko, hello, I think nag-check siya ba kasi nag-ano siya ng cellphone sa mga tao. So checkpoint nga, so malapit na sa akin. So ano pa, kinakabahan ako kagad. Sabi ko, hello, papatay, papunta na to sa akin. So napapunta na sa akin, may tumawag sa kanya cellphone. So parang 3 minutes pa before siya nakapunta agad sa akin kasi tumawag. So ako naman, nag-check agad-agad ako sa app ko na may ticket pa ba ako. Akala ko kasi yung 49 euro ticket ko ay until July na expired na pala kasi na-cancel ko na siya last month. So hindi ko na pa siya magamit sa June at saka sa July kasi kinancel ko pala. Hindi na kasi ako gumagamit noon ng 49 euro ticket. Last month ko pa na-cancel. cancel. So, sabi ko, patay, wala akong ticket. So kapag wala kang ticket dito, na pag checkpoint ka, makamulta ka. So nung ako na, check ko yung cellphone ko kasi gusto ko bumili agad ng ticket kasi before siya mag-check sa akin, may ticket na ipakita. Hindi man nag-function pa ang app. Sabi ko, Lord, iniisip ba? Tapos yung lahat ng katawang lupa ko, alam mo yun, nagsishake na ako, yung kamay ko nagsishake, hindi na ako masyado makatype kasi shake na balik, gano'n talaga. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong gagawin ko ka, guys. So sabi niya, oh, saan yung ticket mo? Sabi ko, oh, wait lang, I'm still looking for it. To in German ko, kasi German man siya. So, sabi niya, sige, balikan kita ha. Mahanap yung ticket. Okay. Tapos tingnan ako ng dalawang passenger sa harapan ko kasi may ano man, tingin sa akin. Tapos bumalik nga siya. After 1 minute, bumalik siya. Pero, ang dami pa dun sa dulo na i-check pa niya. Binalikan niya talaga ako ng after 1 minute. Sabi niya, oh, andyan na ba yung ticket mo? Sabi ko, sorry, wala pa. Tingnan ko pa. Tingnan pa ako sa cellphone. Nagbabaybay na ako. Tapos 10 minutes na lang din hanggang darating ako ng Frankfurt. Sabi ko, patay. Kailangan makabili ako ng 49 euro ticket ngayon kasi kung hindi, makamulta ako, mas malaki pa. Tapos ma-record pa ang pangalan mo dito. Nakamulta ka sa Germany pala. So, ngayon, ano na, 5 minutes na. Ako, nag-ano pa na ako kasi kapag magbili ako ng 49 euro ticket, madami ko pa i-register ang pangalan ko, kailan yung birthday ko, yung IBAN ko, yung bank konto ko, bank account ko na magbayad, diretso siya kunin sa bank account ko. Alam mo, nakabili ako ng 49 euro ticket na yun din ang time. Wait lang. Sa Denhausen na. Denhausen ako. Yun yung time na nasa Frankfurt na ako. So, hindi na-check ang aking ticket ulit. Na nakabili na ako, na hindi na siya naka-check ulit. So, timing pa sabi ko, no. So, grabe no, na timing talaga na kung kailan na, wala na nag-check. Yun din time na na-confirm yung ticket ko. So, nakabili ako ng ticket. So, kailangan pala no, na kapag biyahe talaga tayo, bili talaga tayo ng ticket. At check pa rin natin kung meron ba tayong ticket. Kasi akala ko talaga may 49 euro ticket pa ako. Eh, wala na pala. Na-expire na pala at na-cancelled ko. So, lesson learned. So, ngayon, may 49 euro ticket na ako. So, hindi na ako mag-alala na uwi sa amin. Sabi ko, kakiswala, maano ko talaga ako to, makamultat ako kung hindi ko yun nabayaran. Kung mabuti na lang yung lalaki ay hindi ako kinukulit. Yung iba kasi nag-checkpoint, kukulitin ka talaga. Mabuti lang siya ay mabait, hindi ako kinukulit. Kasi yung iba talaga, kinukulit ka hanggang ipakita mo talaga. Kung hindi, multahin ka talaga. Ang worst pa, nakalagay na yung pangalan mo doon, nakapulta ka na pala. Stress. Hi, andito na ako. I'm with Joey Reninghoff. Hi, kain na hello ka guys.
Hey guys.
Guys?
Guys.
So,
welcome back to another vlog.
Thank you for the pizza.
Yeah, we ordered pizza. And you got salami.
Salami, and you have
vegetarian with garlic.
Wow, doon sa Balikaos. So, kain na po muna kami guys. Kasi po, gutom siya, gutom ako. It's a tie. Good appetit. Hi guys, tapos kami kumain and we are going to Lidl because Joey have a lot of money. And he wants to buy everything.
You need to eat this, you need to eat that.
Only
so
for this weekend.
I need to buy everything. Woo.
Because I'm the guest and you are the host. You know, if you are at my house, you are the guest and I am the host.
I am the guest in your house.
Yeah. That's why, what do you want? We will buy. And also, my parents, Owen Egbert, will buy it for you also.
Yeah,
they will buy
Egbert,
schnitzel vegan.
Egbert, not
yeah,
you.
But it's for part of the family. If he will buy it, then I don't need to buy for you because he buy it already. So we are in Lidl.
Oh no, it's raining again.
Not today and not tomorrow because tomorrow is another day.
Yeah, that's right. But tomorrow it should be rain gone too.
Kuma, Lidl. Is this your Lidl? You are the owner, Oda?
No,
Why?
because my business is gold and silver, not eat and food
Eating food and beverages.
and delivery.
Let's go. Hi, tapos na kaming kumain. Bumili po pala. Nag-grocery na po kami. So ngayon, we'll go back home. Punta na kami sa bahay ni Joey. Tingnan niyo po, umuulan talaga siya, oh. Umuulan talaga today. It's always raining here. In Germany, we only have rain and snow.
Since
And-
6 weeks.
And windy. We have no sun in 1 year.
Since 6 weeks.
For almost 1 year now, we don't have sun since winter.
But that's not normally, that's the climate change.
We don't have sun, but it's not cold. Warm, no? It's not cold, but it's hot.
20 degrees.
It's very hot like me. So,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
ja, ja, ja.
Ja, 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 ja. Guck mal, die steht hier mitten auf der Gas.
Was ist das denn da?
Bescheuert.
Gott.
Zu viel Alkohol getrunken oder was?
Ganda.
Krass, oder?
Ja.
Mutprobe.
May mga bata dun baka guys, mga 3 bata. Hindi talaga sa umalis na, nasa gitna lang sila ng daan. Sabi pa ni Joey, baka ano daw, naka-alcohol.
Was?
Sige.
Was?
You said the 3 angels.
He said no alcohol. Don't drink alcohol. It's not good for you.
It's not good for me.
It's not good for you and car guys.
Who told
For
you?
everybody.
But you drink alcohol na?
No, not often.
Occasionally.
Huh?
Occasionally.
Was heißt das?
Occasion. When is... Dito na kami ka guys. Wow, ang dami namang mangga. Uy, you have a lot of mango. Mangoes with S.
And frozen mango.
And also frozen. And did you make a video that you eat Philippine mango?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Did you make a video? A vlog?
No,
Not?
no.
Why?
I was hungry and there was no
No
camera.
time. Yeah. With food do camera.
Was very tasty.
Delicious.
Sehr delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, very delicious.
Das ernst?
But
But
I like this a little bit more because it's not so sweet. You know? This is more.
whoa, what? Why are you fighting with your? Why? Das ist voll.
Your steaks doesn't work.
Don't put in the freezer. In the normal. Don't put in the.
Ja, aber das gehört auch
Sorry.
in die Tiefkühltruhe.
Nee.
Nee.
Okay.
Very empty. Don't watch.
Don't watch this.
Oh no!
Wow. Also, you make also XXL grocery.
Yeah, with water. I will put water and we'll try it.
Yeah, because
I learned in your last vlog.
Yeah,
that I
because-
need to put water on the bridge.
I know because Connie hat das kommentiert. Ja, ich mag das auch immer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're also clever. Very smart.
Yeah.
But I don't have a taste for.
Wow. Okay, you can put in the normalerweise the breads you don't put in the freezer. You put the
I will do it into my prisoner of my parents.
so you want to try with what I did in the house.
Yeah.
That I will put some water and then put in the back oven.
Yeah. But tomorrow.
Wow, you want to try it? I want to.
Heute?
Yeah.
No, I already eat 5 mangoes today. It's enough.
And
for me.
ich no, noch nicht.
You can eat.
Thank you.
Here, watch this.
Watch that and watch this. What?
Magic.
Wow,
And then,
it's really a magic, no?
then
It's like Star Trek. Oh, you have a lot of, you know. Can I try? Thank you.
Very
Oh, look, yellow and then my intergrid is yellow.
No, it's orange. I'm coming back in 1 second.
Okay, 1 second is finished. Sarap. Ang dami naman na mangga niya. Eh. Yung mangga niya parang binili niya yung lahat. Isang kahon talaga binili niya guys dun sa neto. So, normally, ang isang mangga rito, nasa 2 euro. Binili niya isang kahon. Diba? Iba talaga kapag paborito mo ang mangga. Sarap naman ng mangga. Sarap ito na may susawan ba? May regalo ako kay Joey. Ito oh. Naiwan niya to sa bahay pero sabihin ko sa kanya na regalo ko to sa kanya. Kaya he needs to close his eyes. Paano-ano ko lang ba? Tingnan natin kung ano ang reaction niya ha. Sa kanya to, naiwan niya to sa bahay. Sa lagayan niyang kanyang yung smartwatch. Sabihin na natin na may regalo ko sa iyo Joey. And let's wait kung ano ang reaction ng batang to. Hindi pa siya bumalik. Joey, come here. I have something to give you. I have a gift for you.
Huh?
I have a gift for you. You need to close your eyes. He come here.
So.
So.
I'm so tall.
You need to close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I don't trust you. Okay.
Okay, give me your hand. Oh, only one. This is a gift for you, okay? Don't. Here.
Wow! Yeah, that's my from my Fitbit.
That's the case for your.
The original case, yeah. Now I have a gold watch.
I bought it.
Yeah. I lost it last weekend.
Guys, kumakain ako ng mangga dito, di ba? I'm eating my mango and then his neighbor, which is all our followers now, which our follower was here. And then she said, no, you said, Oli is da.
Yeah, I said, Oli, say hello to Oli.
Yeah, Oli is da. Oli is there.
I'm shy.
And then her name is Connie, no? Corina. But then she said, oh, Oli is there? Okay, I want to meet Oli. And then now we're talking about almost 1 hour, no?
Huh?
We're talking with Connie almost 1 hour. Because
1 hour? Wow, that was long.
yeah, and then she said, Oli, I am your fan. I always watch your video and I always laughing with your shorts video with Joey.
I was not interesting. Well, it's okay.
She said, she said that she told me that, Oli, I am your fan, right?
Your what?
She said, I am your fan. I am your fan, Oli. And then,
Aber das wusste ich schon, das hat sie mir schon gesagt.
yeah, and then I like your videos. It's very funny, especially when you were with Joey in the car. She said she watched it. I think 5 times. Only this video. And then,
The short.
and she's my first German that I've met, or she's my first German fan. Or is it correct what I say?
First German fan
That I've
you
met.
met.
Yeah, because
I think
normally
you have more fans in Germany, but
she's the first. And then she said, I'm always laughing with your videos, Oli. And then it's geil. And then I said, no, these ideas are from this man. From Joey.
Nah.
I always support him. That's why Joey always posted it on his YouTube channel, the shorts. And then the shorts, yeah, the shorts video I posted on my Facebook and Instagram. The same video, and then he posted on his YouTube. And then we talk a lot, no? Almost 1 hour. We talk a lot. And then,
it's okay. It's my neighbor.
She asked me, yeah, we heart. Yeah, go. It's from heart. Accidentally, I didn't. Look, cute. And then she said, how?
And she said,
why you speak good Deutsch, good German? Where did you learn from? Where did you learn it? And I said, I learned from my neighbor.
No.
And then I said, I was shy. And then she said, what? You are shy?
Yeah.
I cannot believe it that you are shy. Because in your video, and because she watched our vlogs, no? She told me, oh, Mommy Rose is so sweet. And then also with Kim.
With Harvey.
With Harvey. She is very sweet. She is very... Sie hat viel gesagt.
Yeah. She's a fan of all of your friends.
And she's German, no? She's not Filipino. She's German. And she knows my friend now. Mommy Rose, Harvey. She said, what is the name with this, with son? With this kid?
Yeah, she's on my vlog.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I speak English in my vlog.
That's what she understands. And I said, that was Harvey, and then Daniel, and Mommy Rose. Barom, she asked me, no, with this woman that she's saying with you. That was Harvey.
Yeah. That was Harvey.
Then, no, she's just very sweet.
And she said, oh, you can so good singing. You need to record a song or something else.
Because she watched our live, no?
Our live video from last weekend, yeah.
Yeah, then she was there, she watched our live, and then she said, you are so sweet, Oli, I like your smile.
Yeah, and I have a copyright strike now.
Yeah? Copyright strike?
Yeah, strike not, but copyright issue, yeah.
It's okay.
It's your channel.
Yeah, it's your channel, that's not my channel. I always care for my channel, you know. And yeah, it's my first time. I'm so glad, I'm so flattered that there's you know the giggle ba, yung giggle niya na, oh, I'm your fan, Oli.
Yeah.
Then it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, she's not 12 years old.
Yeah. Finally, I saw you in person because I only saw you in your vlog. But I saw Joey before, long time ago, because Joey is my neighbor. No?
Yeah.
It's your neighbor. And now,
And
Connie
she's watching our vlogs.
is watching our vlog, and Connie is waiting for our shorts.
Yeah.
Our next shorts.
Yeah, I want to record a short now. Maybe you can see already in my channel. Do you know? Do you know what is this?
No.
Jod? Nori-Blatt. Sushi.
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 For the sushi.
Sushi in banana.
I don't eat sushi, that's why I can't relate.
Sushi in banana. I love it. Do you want to try?
No. Okay, I want to try.
Try.
Was? I thought you gave me
Warte. Da war keine Banane dabei.
Smells like fish.
Yeah, it's Nori. You like fish, what's the problem?
Guck mo mein Gesicht. Okay.
Not good?
Hi ka guys, andito tayo sa labas. Si Joey pumunta siya sa basement, kumuha lang siya ng tubig para daw painumin niya ang tubig ang kanyang mga alaga. So dito tayo sa garden ng kanyang parents. Parents niya po ang nagtanim ng mga prutas dito, pero ako ang mag-harvest. Kasi po, meron tayong kasabihan, sila ang nagtanim, ako ang kakain. Charot lang. Pumayag naman sila, uy, kasi hindi man pwede na. Kukuha lang tayo na walang paalam. So, let's harvest time. So, meron tayong lagay dito. Maghanap tayo ng... Uy, wow! Hinog na talaga sila, oh. Kagay, sinog na, oh. Look, no? At saka ito. Ay, wow! Wait lang. Ito, super hinog na. At saka ito. Ay, ang dami. So, kagay, ito yung sinasabi ko na super dami. Wait lang. Kasi po ito siya ay tusok-tusok. Ito, marami pa siyang, ano. Ay, wow! Ito sa ilalim. Ayan. Ito, oh. Try the first hemberry. Ito. Medyo maasim-asim pa yun. Ito daw. Ito matamis. Iba ang nagtanim, ako ang kakain. Sorry naman sa inyo. Alam ko hindi nyo ito maubos kasi ang dami naman ito. Andiyan pa, Diba may himberry sa bahay? Yung sa garden house ko. Wild himberry yun siya. Kaya maliliit. Iba kasi kapag tinatanim, malalaki. Ganito, Ganito siya, malalaki kasi tinatanim. At ganito din siya kalaki kapag binibenta sa supermarket. Pero kapag wild lang siya na basta lang tumubo siya dyan, maliit. Ito gusto ko. Ito. Pasensya nyo na kasi ako man ang nandito kaya ako makakain. Ito. Wala, pasira na din siya. Kailangan kainin talaga siya kasi masisira man. Kung hindi siya kukunin, wala kakain nito. Masisira lang siya. Sayang lang din. So, maganda na. Mabuti lang, andito ako. Hemberry is masarap. Ito sa kabila. Ayun, ang daming bunga. Hinog. Look, Joey is there. Hello. So, dito sa kabila. Ito. Yan. Alam nyo, ang himberry is good with yogurt also, no? Natandaan nyo po na nagkuha kami ng yogurt. Ito yun. Ganito yun siya. Diba? Hindi na siya masarap yung iba. So, ito na siya guys. Yeah. So, hanap pa tayo ng ibang pwedeng Ay, hala, ito Itong violet. Hindi pa siya hinog. Ganito pa siya. Green pa lang siya, no? Ang taba ng lupa kasi. Taba ng lupa dito ba? Ito, Alam nyo po, ang mahal nito na binibenta at saka masarap din siya. Ay, ganito siya guys kapag mahinog. Ito, mahinog na, ayan, Ito, maliliit lang siya. Ayan, Hinog na to. Masarap din to. Kainin ko, ha? Masarap nga. Pero pa sa kabila pala, andun pa, Tsaka dito din, Ay, alam. Dami ng hinog, Super hinog na, Lang, kainin natin to. Ito, tamis. Ito, ganito ang kulay. Try natin. Matamis. Totoo. Wait lang, baka tinitingnan tayo ni Connie dito. Yung si Connie kasi sinasabi ko na German, andun sa taas, Sa taas kasi nakatira siya ng bahay. Sa ibaba si Joey, sa itaas si Connie. Nakita niya tayo dito. Masarap man. Ang dami naman ito, Super sarap. Ang taba pa. Ang taba kasi po dito kasi nagtatais yung aso nila. Kaya isa din siya sa vitamins. Charot lang. Pero pa dito sa kabila na naman. Ito. Ito. Sarap naman ito eh. Sa atin pa ito, mga lansunis, mga rambutan. Dito, marang, durias. Kanina naman, mga hemberry, mga berries. Wala sa strawberry, no? Hay, naghanap pa. Naghanap pa ng hindi sa kanya. Yung plaume nila, hindi pa yung plaum, hindi pa hinog. Super green pa. Oh, wala pang, kahit isa, wala pang hinog. Ito yung plaum. Ito, oh. Itong green na to, oh. Ayan, nakita nyo yan, yan. Ito. Plaum yam. Super sarap din yan ka, guys. Para siya kung sa atin pa, kung magpupo ka na, para yang siyang nansunis. Ito. Next time, kapag hinog na talaga to, mag-harvest tayo dito ng plaum, oh. Isang puno talaga siya, oh. Tapos ito pa, may plaum, ay, ito naman, apple. Ito naman, cherry. Cherry. At saka, apple. Sabi na, hindi mo tayo bigyan ng apple. At saka, meron din silang, ito oh, grapes. Pero itong grapes na to, sabi ni, ni Joey, ito ng grapes na to ay good for wine na ginagawa. Hindi yung grapes na kinakain. Pero dumakain talaga din siya. Pero iba yung grapes na gawing wine kasi ay maasim-asim. Unlike sa nung binibinta na kinakain. Yun ang matamis. Pero bunga pa lang siya. Yan. And Joey is very busy in his life.
Very busy.
He's very busy in his life.
Oh.
Ja, ist nicht so viel.
Trotzdem noch viel Arbeit.
Guys, oh, 'di ba nung pumunta tayo dito last time, 11 yan, super dami at saka isang mama, 'di ba? 11 yan na maliit, ngayon 4 na lang. 4 left kasi po yung 6 ay namatay, no? The 6 rabbits ay namatay sila kaya 4 na lang ang iwan at si mama. 'Di ba marami yan siya dati? Kung naalala niyo po na nag-vlog ako dito. Ngayon sila na lang.
Enterocolitis.
Enterocolitis?
Enterocolitis.
Okay.
This is bad sickness for rabbits.
Oh, di ba naghanap tayo ng strawberry kanina? Meron talaga sa strawberry pala. Oh, ayan oh. 1, 2, 3. Kukunin natin to because if we don't get it, then it's kaput or broken. Kaya kailangan siyang kunin, no? Ayan oh. So, yan. Ay, sabi ni Joey, maliliit daw itong ano nila, pero sige lang. Okay lang maliit kaysa wala talaga, di ba? Yun lang siya, and that's all. So, guys, I'm going to end this vlog, ha? Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. This has been Oliver Kagas. And then, Tuesday Kagas. Cheers! Cheers!
Don't forget to subscribe!